Hello friends, this is Ishwar here, and in this video let us see how to get a Android P look on your Android smartphone. So this is not a Android P software upgrade or something like that. This is just a look-alike of Android P. So this requires Xposed framework on your smartphone. So if you have Xposed framework, then it's good to go. If you don't have Xposed framework, just watch the video and see how good it is. So I'm just trying this out for the first time. Let's see how it works. So just get it in the download sections here and then search for Android P. You'll get Android P5. Just tap on that and then scroll down to versions and tap on download. Now after the download is complete, just tap on install. Now let's open it up. It says that module is not activated, so we need to activate and reboot. Let's just wait for it to reboot. You know, this boot animation is awesome for this Pixel Experience ROM. So yeah, this phone has booted. Let us just start it up. And yeah, I think the module is updated. Let's just try to open that app. Now just let us go into the module and then open the Android P5. It says that status bar. Let us open that, and it says style notification and quick settings left lock. So as you can see, the clock is on the left side right now rather than in the center. So there's also an option to enable the post dark theme. This is the style notification, it seems, but it isn't that great. I would say it isn't that optimized. I have seen in Android P developer preview that the quick settings icons were colorful, and it wasn't like this, so it isn't a great peak. So let us get into settings. Yeah, this one looks awesome. Android P look. This was what I looked in the Android P developer preview itself. So this is looking awesome, and I don't know how to get this colorful icons in the quick settings. I want that right now. Can you see here that different bar is forming out here? It makes it a bit odd, so it doesn't look that great with the status bar, but the settings menu is awesome. This is developed by author PAPHONB, so I couldn't pronounce it, so I just spelled it out. What next? I got a good news for you that my exams are finished, but it is not completely finished. CBSE has a re-examination because of question paper leak on social media, so I have to attend it. Maybe there's a 50% chance of everyone to attend it. Math exam was over. I was so happy, but it is not over yet, it seems. And another good thing is that after the YouTube partner program terms and condition has changed, we needed 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on our channel. So I reached 1,000 subscribers very soon, but 4,000 hours of watch time was a bit tough for me. But after a few weeks, I have successfully got it. Yes, 241,511 minutes of views, which equates to about 4,000 hours of watch time. So in a few weeks I will be able to monetize my videos, and I'll be very happy about that. So I think that's all for today's video. I hope you loved it. If you loved it, hit the like button. If you have any thoughts on this video, just comment down below. And if the noise is so disturbing, I'm very sorry. The outdoor quality was so nice, so that I took it in my terrace. So that's it. I will try to improve very much in my coming up videos. So if you have any thoughts, just leave it in the comment box, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.